I'm going to show you on my website now what I'm trying to tell you. So here's my website. People go to this, they don't see anything like buy this, buy that, because I don't want to have anything like that. I want people to be able to look at my art and enjoy what it is that I have to share. But you see, there's a links section, there's a news section, there's a murals section, portraits, music, food, narrative, about, and contact. Now, I actually do have something. Look, I have a lot of views. And this is all from me. It's not from algorithms, because I've shared this with people, and there's no algorithm stuff with the website I have. But I've had this website a while now, many years. But anyways, so if you click on links, you see there's different links, as you can see. Buy a copy. So what I have right here is example of what you would do. So what you would do is you would have, let's say, maybe your Instagram right here. And someone could click on it. There's a link right here. Right? Now, on mine, it says S Erotic, my magazine. My Facebook group, give my magazine page a like. I haven't looked at this in a while, but once there are 300 likes, that lucky person will get a free copy of issue 2. So that actually happened. I got 300 likes, and that person, I had actually told the person I was going to give him a free copy of issue 2, but issue 2 is actually not even done now, and this is many years later. But the point was I was trying to get to 300 likes. So you want to do something like this, you want to have something to give people an incentive to click on it, give people an incentive to like it, give people a roadmap of what to do to lead them in a certain direction. Once you lead them in that direction, now they're interested, So you have their interest. Now what? Well, so I have all this information, all this free art for people to see. But I have a thing that says buy a copy. First I have check out the group. Then I have the thing to do. And here's a hashtag. So let's just do this for a second just so I can help you to comprehend even better. Oh, look, I have exactly 300 followers. How funny. I haven't looked at this in a while. Oh, that's so funny. So wow, this is helping me by helping you. So on my magazine page, I have different Instagram things that I've posted, and it automatically posts to my page on Facebook for my magazine. Sometimes I just post stuff. Let's see if I can find something where I just posted. I might have to scroll back a while. I think most of this stuff is just Instagram automatic sharing.
Hello, are you going on a trip soon and you can't decide exactly where you want to go?
There you go. Now we're on to something.
First of all, I recommend asking friends who have already been to that destination. I'm sure they'd be happy to talk about it. And
all right, here we go, Mckenna. This is
Secondly,
our
I
answer.
recommend using TikTok. It'll pull up so many different options for places you can check out. And oftentimes with TikTok, you'll find a lot of very unique places that not a lot of people go to, which are my favorite places. The more you scroll, the more you know. Thirdly, I recommend Googling it. Google will just give you the most touristy places, I'd imagine. And fourthly, I recommend checking out Google Maps and zoom it into whatever location you're looking at. It'll have the main touristy places already pinned, which makes it really easy. And side note, regardless of how you decide to find your information, I definitely advise you to put it into Google Maps. It'll make your life so much easier. And number 5, I recommend joining Facebook groups if you really want to just delve into it and learn a lot about where you're going. You could join like broad travel groups or more specifically
by the way, you should follow my S Erotic. You should be the 301st person.
YouTube is a very helpful tool when it comes to learning
Maybe you're
about
already following this. I don't know.
And number 7.
Oh, I have a Facebook group.
My favorite way
I'll send
of
you the
figuring
group.
out what to do is just ask locals. Locals are always so knowledgeable, and they're always excited and willing to help. With those 7 methods, you are bound to have a great trip. Let me know in the comments if there's any other things that I missed or new ways you want to tell me about. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
All right, Mckenna. So I'm going to show you more now. So that's this. Hold on. Okay, let's go back to this. So that's that. And then let's see if we can click on this and it'll go to anything. Oh yeah, it goes direct right to it. Perfect. Oh wow. We'll just do this one. Let's see. Login failed. All right, you know what? Forget this for now. We're gonna do it a different way. All right, so Mckenna, check this out. So, okay, we'll just do it this way. Okay, here. So okay, so on my website, it goes directly to what the thing it was clicking on. It didn't go to it, but it was supposed to go to this. So here's some hashtags that I have made. I don't know what this is. It's weird that popped up because that's like one of the only things that I guess has my hashtag on it. Like, how is it possible that they put Esoteric magazine? They have Esoteric magazine on this. I can't believe that. That is so crazy. Who the heck did this? Someone is trying to connect with me. See, look at this. This somehow was connected with my magazine. Isn't that weird? Wow, I'm surprised. Well, anyways, let's go back to this. So, someone hashtagged that. That's so weird. I wonder, they must know about what I do. Anyway, so here's all these hashtags, Mckenna. Like, here's a mural I painted in 2016. Here's some people I met in California reading my magazine. Here's a guy I met at FedEx. I printed this out and I was talking to this guy and I gave him a copy of some of my art. There's just tons of stuff in here of my travels, which you can definitely relate with this, Mckenna. So let's find a really good example. All right, this is a good example. So here is Boulder, Colorado. I'm from Boulder. And Chinook Seedery. I was doing art for this sunflower seed company. Chinook Seedery. Look, they got 33,000 followers. I love their sunflower seeds. I met with the owner and I ended up getting a commission to create art for the sunflower seeds. Maybe I'll show you later what I ended up doing. But anyways, so here's an example of what you could do, Mckenna. So let's say you have a photo or a video or a podcast and so this is something you could have on the website. So let's say here's a photo or video of, all right, we'll do it even better. Here, let's do this. Mckenna, let's see, where's your Instagram? Let me see if I can give you a good example. I don't know what your Instagram is at the moment, so we'll just do this instead. All right, so here, we'll just do this one. Perfect. There you go. I know how you can make money, Mckenna. This is what you can do. I don't want to say anything wrong, but OnlyFans? You could make an OnlyFans, only you don't have to do anything sexual. You can just do this. You can have an OnlyFans and only have stuff like this, not sexual stuff. And then what you can do is you can have people do your OnlyFans, and then when you have them sign up to your OnlyFans, you're going to send them a picture like this. They're going to pay for it. But yeah, like I said, you could do OnlyFans, but usually it's something sexual, but it doesn't have to be. Oh, perfect. There you go, McKenna. I mean, look at this. What a beautiful photo. I haven't looked at your stuff in a while. What a beautiful photo. So, like for example, what you could do, McKenna, is this. You could make a sticker of this. You could even, with an AI app, delete the background, which I actually have something on my phone right now that you can do that. I don't remember what it is at the moment. Oh, let me show you. McKenna, I actually know what it is. So I'm going to take this image right here. Watch this. I'm going to go into InShot. Let's put this photo. Okay, here you go. So let's do this. So look at what you can do, McKenna. Background. Oh no, not that. That's not it. There's a different thing you could do. Cut out. There you go. Boom! Look at that, McKenna. That's what I was trying to show you. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. Look at how cool that is, McKenna. Right? So now what you got? Let's see. Look at that, McKenna. How cool is that? I have just created a sticker for you. What you could do is you could sell these. You could literally sell these, McKenna. All right, McKenna. So let's get back to what we were saying. So, buy a copy. So you got your podcast, or you got your sticker, or you got your poster, or you got your, secret videos, or whatever. You got your link, right? And this is my link, but you could have your link. And then boom, right away, sellable things. So all these people saw all these things. They have the choice to click on that if they would like to. They can buy it, but they also don't even have to buy it. I give them the option. So now they can click on this and they can flip through my magazine. They can check out my magazine for free, completely for free. Although, as you can see, this page is blank. And I purposely did that because someone's looking through my magazine, right? And you're like, wow, this is pretty cool. Wow, you can buy it. So, as you can see, you're looking through it, there's like, oh, wow, this is interesting. Wow, oh, wow, this is so cool. I could buy this. Oh, wow, this is nice. What's this? Why is it white? Well, I purposely did that because I wanted people to buy my magazine. So what it does is it makes people realize, because, see, look, page 16. Oh, sorry. Okay. Page 16, page 17, page, Page 17, page, no page number. But I did that on purpose but then I also put page 63. So now people know the beginning of my magazine, the cover of my magazine, almost the end of my magazine, the end of my magazine. So people for free can see the back of my magazine, can see the front of my magazine, can see the last page of my magazine. But what about this part? Well, there's a page 17. You can read from the beginning all the way to the 17th page. But then the 18th page, where's the 18th page? Where's the 19th page? Where's the 20th page? All the way up to page 63. They can't see. So now what they can do if they want to see it is they can buy it. pay for it. Boom, you got it all set up. It takes time to do all this, of course, you know that. But this is what you want to do, Mckenna. You want to set up an online page to sell your stuff that you have to then make. All right, let's get back to this. Try to share a little bit more. Okay, so that's that, right? Well, so yeah, Mckenna, that's what you want to do. You want to put together a website rather than just your Instagram, rather than just your TikTok, a website. So you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things people can click on. Music. Nothing is for sale here, Mckenna. Nothing. It's all just showing stuff. Well, that's what you can do. See, you can have, let's say, 10 images. Let's see here. Okay, look, 10 images. Like this one, I could see someone buying this. Sure. So this is what you want to do. I think you want to do a sticker pack, Mckenna. This one, this one, this one. There's your 3-pack. This one, and this one. Let's just say 5 Mckenna stickers. And what you can do then is you can do what I just showed you with the deleting the background, and then you could print these out, and then you can package them in a little little thing like this. So, you know, and like this is a thing I can sell. It's not done yet, but this has a little preview of issue 2 of my magazine, and then it has that just to mess with people's heads, to cover it so they don't see what's in it or whatever. But you want to do something like that. So yeah, Mckenna, that's a really good way to make money from your content. You want people to know, first of all, that you want to be personable. You want to share whatever it is that you have to offer, as far as making people interested in things, getting inspired in things. But rather than just simply saying, I have stuff for sale, buy it, not a good approach, You want to, let people know about you, share stuff like your tutorial, how to do things, and then, yeah, like I said, then you have a link to your website where you can have stuff for sale. That would be my my suggestion for you. All right, Mckenna.